I want to say a big thank you to the branding team for very kindly offering to me this really gorgeous water tumbler to try. This is a 30-ounce or 850 milliliter water bottle, but it's not just for water. You can also have hot drinks like coffee or tea, or your iced coffees as well. And it stays hot or cold for up to 12 hours. It has this really awesome carry handle at the top there for convenience, the nice drinking spout on top with an included straw, and the straw is removable for easy cleaning. It comes in 7 different designs. This one has this really lovely flower pattern on it, the florals. I'm not sure if you can see, it's actually slightly raised. You can actually feel it. It's a really nice quality. The bottom is tapered, so it's going to fit into your car holder, or if you go to the gym and you want to take your water bottle with you, it's going to fit into your gym machines like your treadmill and your exercise bikes. It's going to fit in there really nicely. It's rust proof and temperature retaining, and it's a really nicely weighted product. It's also waterproof as well. As you can see, you can turn it upside down and it does not leak. What a great product. So if you're walking around, it's not going to be leaking and making a mess. Thank you so much to the team for sending it out to me. I really do appreciate it. It's absolutely beautiful and very giftable. I really do like it. Thank you for watching.